Today we'll be learning how to store curry leaves for an extended period of time. Curry leaves usually have a shelf life of 5 to 7 days, and after 5 to 7 days it just goes bad. And that is why you need to learn to preserve the curry leaves the right way so that it lasts for months. And this is how I preserve it so it lasts at least 3 months. First up, you'll need to remove the leaves from the stem. Now, once the leaves have been removed from the stem, prepare a few paper towels. Right here I have 3 paper towels, and I'll separate the leaves by batches. So grab a handful, place it on the paper towel, and just fold it into an envelope shape. Now, the reason why we use paper towels is because they are able to absorb the moisture from the curry leaves. Now, once you've added all the curry leaves into the paper towel and wrapped it, add these folded paper towels into an aluminium foil bag. Or you can also use a Ziploc bag and tie it up and keep it in the refrigerator. And now, this is how it is after 9 days. You can see that the curry leaves are all still very fresh, still looking very good. It did not turn bad yet. And after 16 days, it is still looking so fresh. So this is how it's going to look even after 2 or 3 months. I've been doing this for years and it's worked every single time. I hope you get to keep your curry leaves fresh too.